In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Expensify account. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to confirm the closure with confidence. Before we begin, a quick tip. If you think you might need old reports or receipts later, export or download them first, because once the account is closed, you may lose access to that data. Also, make sure there aren't any pending reimbursements or active subscriptions tied to your account. Start by signing in and heading to the home screen on the Expensify website. This is your main dashboard, and it's where you can access all of your settings. From the left-hand sidebar, open the Account section. This is where your personal preferences and security tools live. Inside Account, choose Security. The Security page contains options related to login, verification, and account safety. Scroll until you find the Close Account option and select it. This takes you to the dedicated closure page. Here, Expensify will ask for a short note about why you're leaving. Sharing a reason is optional, but it can be helpful if you want to provide feedback or make sure your concerns are heard. Type a brief message in the text box. Keep it simple and clear, something that reflects your experience or the change in your needs. Next, you'll be asked to confirm your decision by entering your default contact method. This is the primary email address or phone number associated with your Expensify account. Type it exactly as it appears on your profile so the system can verify that it's really you requesting the closure. If you're unsure which contact method is set as default, check your account settings first so you can copy it accurately. Once your message is entered and your default contact method is confirmed, click Close Account to finalize. You may see a final prompt. If so, confirm again to proceed. After this, you'll typically be signed out and in many cases receive a confirmation notice. If you don't receive one, check your spam folder or log in again to verify that the account has been closed. A few closing pointers. If you're part of a company policy or a paid workspace, closing your personal account can affect access to shared reports and reimbursement flows. If you encounter notices about pending reports, unpaid reimbursements, or policy ownership, resolve those in your account first or contact your admin. And if you subscribe through a mobile app store, verify that any recurring charges are canceled there as well. That's it, your Expensify account is now closed. Thanks for watching, and I hope this walkthrough made the process smooth and straightforward.